here. I don't know the relationship that you have with your family, but in my household, major peer pressure to eat everything that is served during the holidays. And go back for seconds. And the pies. There's apple pie, pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie, pie, and pies. So we're gonna get back on track and we're making celery juice today. Our skin is gonna be glowing and is gonna thank us for it. Juice. Make sure you wash them out very, very good. It is excellent for your skin. 1 cup of this bad boy, maybe once a week, is amazing. It helps get rid of all of the excess water in your body and it helps you get rid of toxins. That lemon, woo! It also helps cleanse it helps get rid of everything that is, you know. And after Thanksgiving, I don't know about you, but I definitely need this. Celery also has a ton of vitamins. Just to name a few, we have vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. It has calcium, magnesium. I'll leave a list below. I am not a doctor or a physician. Let's just get that straight right now. I am just sharing some recipes and some things that I usually drink all of the time. So, celery juice, awesome. And yes, I'm gonna try this. It's great. Now time for some coffee. If you have seen any of my other videos, you know I love to recycle, reuse, and repurpose scraps in any material I can find. So we are going to repurpose the pulp that is used for the juice. So there is a part 2 to this video, and it's pretty yummy what we make, so go check it out. Juiced. Come on, Tiffany, get it out. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Do you like watching me record videos, Royal?